Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of complex analysis asked in CSIR Net 2020. So our question is, let fz be a non-constant entire function and z is equals to x plus iota y. Let uxy and vxy denotes its real and imaginary part respectively. Which of the following statement is false? So this function fz is non-constant and entire function. So fz can be written as u of xy plus iota v of xy. Here this is a real part and this is imaginary part. So we know for function to be analytic, it should be differentiable and should satisfy the CR equation. So first we see this option. This is a CR equation. We have to find the false statement. So first statement said by CR equation ux is equals to what? V of y and u of y is equals to minus of vx. So this is a CR equation. So this option is correct. As we see, this is not a CR equation. So this option is false. And fourth option here, fx is equals to, if we differentiate this fx, what we get? U of x plus iota v of x, right? We know that function is satisfying CR equation. If we square both sides, what we get? Square both sides, we get what? Ux square plus vx square, and iota square is also, so which is equals to ux square plus minus vx square. And if a function satisfies CR equation, to vx square is equals to uy square. So this is equals to ux square plus u of y square. So this is given in third option. F dash x plus iota y square is equals to x square plus uy square. Should this satisfy this? So this option is right. Similarly, this option is also right. For what? For third option, option number 4, D, f dash is equals to of x plus iota y is equals to u of x plus iota v of y, right? Here we have to convert ux in place of this, as ux is equals to v of y. This is entire function, so ux is equals to vy. If we square both sides, we get this. Squaring both sides, we get v square plus vx square. So this is ux vy. This is ux vx square. This is uy square. So this is the solution of this video. Here this function is the entire function. So for entire function we use the CR equation, and by CR equation first option second correct, and on second option is wrong. And if we square this function, differentiate this function and square it, and by applying CR equation, this two options also correct, but this option is false. But we have to find the false option. So option B is correct. This is true option, this is true option, this is true option. So this all option is false, but this option is false, so this option is true. So option B is correct. So we have to find the false option. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.